here is our DESI in the telemedicine system. As you can see, at the front end, we have multiple sensors on a patient, and at the back end, we have caregiver, physician, emergency service. We are using a server in a hospital to receive data. So our DESI, Dynamic EHR-Sensor Interface, is in the middle here, running on a handheld device such as smartphone or PDA or netbook. So here is our testbed architecture of our DESI prototype. At the back end, we are using MITRE as a protocol translation engine to store data in the MySQL database, and the client, such as physician or doctor, can access the data and also send a message to DESI. So here is my demo script for type 1 diabetes case study. At the front end, I programmed this simulator using MATLAB and Java to simulate type 1 diabetes patient to generate diabetic blood glucose sensor data to send to DESI. Then DESI processes the incoming data and transmits them to EHR server through TCP. Then the doctor or physician can use a web browser to acquire patient's information using and send control messages to DESI, such as an alert or take some intervention. And the DESI receives the control command from the EHR, shows the message on the display. DESI will also send some control command to the sensor to make some changes to the parameters. So here is the at the front end, we can see we can have blood glucose monitor or insulin pump. So you send the data to our DESI here, and the data are using a thread to process it and put the data in a priority queue. And DESI will keep a copy of the data on the local in a local file on disk. So the data, so the patient can check the activity through the graphical user interface on DESI. And also it will convert the data to XML data format to send to the backend hospital. And also the doctor or the physician can send some command or message to our DESI. And the timing module here is that we have transmission modes such as the real-time mode or store and forward mode. Real-time mode is that DESI gets message and send it right away, and store and forward mode is for situation like the patient goes out using a cellular phone. Sometimes the backend connection is not available, or sometimes you have a limited bandwidth. This mode is mainly for that. And for the backend application, I use the server-side Java EE web application. So the doctor or physician can query the MySQL database, use the web browser, and display the data on the web, and also send a selectable control command to the send a command to DESI, and it will use Ajax to automatically update the data showing on the web page. Here is showing just the modular design of DESI, and just to mention that I am working on this type 1 diabetes case study, and my partner is actually working on Parkinson's disease case study, and this is the accelerometer sensor. Next, I'm gonna show you the demo.